Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I am going to be showing you all my updated blowout routine. My hair is freshly washed. As you all can see, I am taking off my Turby Twisty. I have shampooed and conditioned, and here's what my hair looks like. As you all can see, my natural curl pattern is kinky curly, but no worries. I am going to be using my Design Essential Silk to put this on top of my hair. This does help silk out the hair, but it also serves as a heat protectant. Right on top of that, I am going to be adding the Silk Elements Mega Silk. This is another heat protectant that I like to use. This provides the hair with shine, and also it provides like an extra layer of coating. As you all can see, it will sit right on top of the hair, serving as a barrier. So I am just making sure I work that in before I put my hair in several sections. Within each section, I am going to add more Mega Silk just to make sure that all of my strands are fully coated. You all know that I am so scared of getting heat damage again that I am overly obsessive with making sure I put heat protectant on my hair. I am using my wet brush to further detangle my hair, and this also helps make sure that the product spreads evenly throughout the hair. I am a huge fan of the wet brush because it doesn't cause too much tension on my hair and it is less painful. So I am going to break that section back into two so that it is more manageable when I begin to blow dry. This is the Silverbird blow dryer. Of course, I'll link it in the description box for you all. But before I blow dry, I am going to use the tension method. And this basically helps me dry the hair fastest without having to drag the comb throughout my hair. And you can already see the length when using the tension method. So I just hold the ends tautly and then bring the comb through the hair. This is a comb attachment that I found from my local beauty supply store just because it holds on to the blow dryer a little bit better than the comb attachment that came with it. So of course the tension method, which is holding the ends tautly and bringing the heat throughout the hair. And then I will take the comb, and to get closer to the roots, I will continue to blow dry until the hair is straight and the roots are as straight as possible. Once this section is complete, I will roll my hair into a Bantu knot until I complete all of the sections around my head. As you move into the crown of my head, my curl pattern does get a little bit kinkier and it gets a little bit more difficult to work the products throughout my hair. So this is why I made sure I include this clip, because I wanted you all to see how our hair can have different textures all around our heads and how some sections may tend to be a little bit more manageable than others. But with patience and time, I promise you'll be able to get through it. Once each section is complete, it is now time for the takedown. And honestly, you all, I really love the curl pattern that these large Bantu knots gave me. However, they just didn't sit long enough for me to actually wear them out because the curls eventually fail, which I'm not too surprised at all because they were literally only in for a few minutes because this process did not take me long at all. So now I'm just running my fingers through the hair, making sure that my roots are as straight as possible and that I just like to feel my my hair when it's straight because it's literally the only time that I could just run my hands through my hair just like this. As you all can see, my hair is growing, but it is also time for a trim. However, being honest with you all, I will not get to that trim today, but hopefully soon in the future I can get to that trim so that I can dust my ends a little bit more. But here are the final results. I am super in love with my blowout routine because it makes hairstyling so much easier with certain hairstyles, and I hope it will make the process easier for you too. As always, I hope you all enjoyed the video, and I can't wait to see you in the next one. See ya!